Today I'm going to show you how to make this transparent gradient text effect using Canva. Go to Canva and go to uploads, and after uploading your image, let's drag it to design, increase the size, go to text and type your text. Let's increase the size and use any font you want. For example, let's use just Anton. Increase the size like this. Let's change the color to white color and copy, add new page and paste in the second page. We have the text here, and go to share and download the second page as PNG with transparent background. Download just this page. Just delete this page, upload the image to the first page. Here's our image. Go to apps and type image colorizer. Let's use this app. Make sure you select this image and change the colors as you want. Let's, for example, make yellow. And next side, let's make orange. Scroll down to transparency and make it 100. And click add to design. Delete this image, keep just this gradient image. Increase the size like this to fit exactly the page. Go to layer, show layers. Place this image here and duplicate this one. Place it here. Remove the background from this one. And go to text, go to effects, hollow, and decrease the thickness. And here is the final results. I hope you liked this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.